you guys just wait over there. I'm just downloading the test so you can see what you guys have to do. Nearly there. Okay. Boom. Okay, we got the test. We know what you guys need to do. So, Kelly, you will be the
Okay, what do I have to do? Okay, I feel confident. I am the king star. Yeah, is this one way glass? No, this is two way. I can see out both sides.
So you need to change this into that's your first pass. I'll watch you put it back.
Okay.
Oh, I've got to go to lunch.
Okay, so I think, are these the chests?
Oh, good job. Good job.
Yes. Oh, okay, these are so cool. Imagine having a chest like that. It would control people so much. Okay, little Kelly, I've got my camouflage paint. Can you get me some glass, please, from the supply chest? And then hopefully I'll be able to make some of this one-way glass. Oh, thank you very much. I got 64 glass. Okay, might need some more, but I'll take this for now. Okay, I think I've made it. Okay, I won't need any more. There, I just dropped it. Oh my god, okay. So, I'm gonna have to break all this glass. Is that allowed, teacher? That's allowed? Careful. Let's make sure. So, do you want me to be able to see out or see? Okay, so I think what I have to do is do this. Oh, god. Like this. Oh, wait. I know what I did wrong. Okay, this is a bad test. Here we go.
Yeah, you're failing a little bit.
Okay, I need to take these first, and I need to do it like, I need to see out. There we go.
Hey, good job.
Look, just like that. Yeah, I can do it here as well. Just like that.
Very good.
You like that?
The first test, so I should be able to see out, see everybody. Little Kelly should be able to see us.
Can you see us, little Kelly? No. Okay, perfect. You in?
Okay, so good job, Elizabeth. Okay, so very good on this first. Next challenge is
Ooh, okay. Let me have a little think. Little Kelly, can you get me some diamonds, please? And I'm gonna take a door. Okay, this was a harder one. Thank you very much. I need to make a diamond door. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna camouflage a door first. So I have a secret door.
that's the camouflage.
Now, little Kelly, can you come here for a minute? Can you dig me out a line of three bits of sand? And that way I can place the diamonds in. So 1, 2, and 3. Thank you very much. I'm going to place these here like this. Okay, this better work. I don't want to fail my test.
I can't find it either.
I know. Okay, you ready?
Hey,
Yay, it worked.
good job.
We got a diamond door. That's so cool. That's so secretive. Hello.
Oh, it's so secret.